Okay, these are all your pieces. Your circuit's ready. You have 4 metal pieces, and now we're going to put our circuit together. So the first thing we have to do is kind of reorganize all of our elements, right? So the battery and the speaker go in the same direction, the LED goes toward the top, and the button's in the middle. And the first thing that we do is we take this battery holder that has a channel in it, and we slide our battery in there. You might need to make a little groove there so the wire doesn't get clipped. Okay. And then that channel is there so that our speaker wires can pass through and not get squeezed in the body of the lightsaber. So next thing we're going to do is glue this speaker to the end of our battery. Just a little bit of hot glue. Doesn't take a lot. But you do want it to kind of just rest off the edge. You're not touching metal, just kind of hold it until it cools. Kind of want it to be all one big piece. Now you can still change the batteries, you just have to slide the battery holder the other direction. It's also helpful to put a little bit of hot glue here on your speaker wires so they don't get pulled out as you move about. Okay. Alright. So, as that hardens, sometimes it's helpful to put a little bit of glue in the channel too, just to hold those wires in place. I'm using a low heat hot glue gun, so that didn't burn me. Alright, so I'm going to go from this direction, from the top, because that's closer to the button. I'm just going to slide this through the body. Well, it's give me a fight. That's okay, I can go from the other direction. So what I'm going to try to do is get these yellow wires near the buttonhole and feed them through, so then I can reattach the switch. Alright, there's my piece of tape. So if I can grab it, should be able to pull those wires through. And I tape up the wires because I don't want my lightsaber going off a bunch of times as I'm doing this. Okay, so things are just fitting a little tight here. And then near the other edge, I'm going to put the blade holder in and mount my LED. So you just fit that in there and let it fall into place. And after that, it's simply a matter of lining up your holes and screwing in all of your set screws. You get the idea? So this is going to go on the top, on the bottom. You put the set screw in after you push this in, and then it's just put your blade in, you're ready to go. Okay, resolder your switch, and that's it. You can go. Thanks.